Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create a digital signature in PDF. So first is you have to open your Adobe Acrobat, and then from here you just have to click on the menu option at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on the preferences. Okay, now that you have that, you just have to go ahead and click on the signatures. Now find the identities and trusted certificates and then click on the more option. And from here, just click on this icon above the name and then select the file or a roaming digital ID access via server, a device connected to the computer. So now I'll be teaching you a new digital ID. So just have to click on this and then click on next. And then you just have to select this one right here and then click on next. Now you just have to put here your name. So for example, John Smith. And after that, your organizational unit and then your organization name, your email address. And then after typing out these things, is you just have to click on the next option. And right here, you just have to create your password and then confirm the password that you have typed out from the first box, and then you just have to click on a finish. So now that you're here, just have to click on your ID and then just have to click on X. Then from here, just have to open the PDF that you want to put a signature. So for example, this one right here. Now just have to go ahead at the top and click on the e-sign option and then click on add a signature. So here you can type out your signature, you can upload an image from your folder. So now let's go ahead and use the draw option. Just have to use your mouse and then just have to draw your signature and click on apply. Now after that, you'd be able to see your signature and you can drag that out. And of course, you can change the color and you can resize your signature. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.